Thank you, Ben. Today, the Georgia Supreme Court upheld the state's ban on abortion after about 6 weeks from conception. Before, a Fulton County Jail judge ruled that the ban was invalid since it was passed before Roe v. Wade was overturned. Now, the state Supreme Court rejected that decision and reinstated the ban while considering the case. Celine Arif has more.
Last year, the Colby Center said they served 608 families, and this year they've already served more than 1,600.
We work with moms to make sure that they have all the facts, that they know what their options are.
Ann Beal is the director of Colby Center, which she says gives resources to families and encourages them to choose birth over abortion.
We are encouraged to know that our heartbeat bill is one step closer to being fully in effect.
When Lynn Snyder heard Tuesday that the Georgia Supreme Court upheld the heartbeat law, she had a different reaction.
It's very disturbing. I had a little glimmer of hope that the courts would see that women's issues are health care issues.
Snyder, a former nurse, helped to found the women's rights group Georgia Women and Those Who Stand With Us.
They're pro-life, but if you are really I call it pro-birth. If you're pro-life, you're doing everything possible to make sure that women have enough health care.
Beal said her group tries to do that every day by supporting moms with what they need to have a happy and healthy family.
We work with mamas from conception until their babies are toddlers and older.
We're fighting an uphill battle, but we're not going to stop fighting.
Two sides, both hoping for more progress. Reporting in Macon, Celine Arif, 13 WMAZ News.
Now, there are exceptions to the Georgia heartbeat law. For example, it would allow abortion in case of a medical emergency for the mother, and it allows exceptions for women pregnant by rape or incest. The Georgia Department of Public Health says fewer black women received abortions last year, and more than 20,000 black women received abortions in 2022. That's down from 4% from 2021. And